As you know, Apple Notes is one of the most powerful apps on your iPhone. In this video, I'm uncovering 12 of the most useful Apple Notes features and tricks that are game-changing, but still most people are unaware of. Hi, this is Anjana and welcome to the Tech Girl channel. Did you know your Apple Notes can automatically take notes of your lecture or a meeting for you? It's a real game changer. Just create a new note by tapping here. Now select the paperclip icon and choose Record Audio. Start recording and keep it in your lecture hall or during a meeting. Once done, tap on Done. The whole lecture or meeting is recorded and saved to this note. But that's not all. Tap on the recording, tap on this. Now tap on the three dots at the top. Now select Add Transcript to Note. Did you see the transcript of the whole lecture was automatically converted to text and inserted into your note along with the audio file? How easy it is to go back, listen, or even search for specific notes. The best part is, on Apple Intelligence enabled iPhones, this works offline too. Now I'm on airplane mode. I can still record audio and the iPhone will still transcribe the whole audio on device. Another quick tip regarding audio recording. It's an hour-long audio recording of a lecture and you know the host spoke about Apple Intelligence somewhere in the middle. How do you search for it in the audio? Super simple. Just tap the audio recording, tap on the three dots and select Find in Transcript. The search will take you straight to the section. Again, that's not all. You can also tap on any word or sentence in the transcript and you can start listening specifically from that word or sentence.
MacBook to draw or design something with Apple Pencil, edit for media consumption mainly, and then
Apple Notes is not just a standalone app. It's a part of an ecosystem. It works wonderfully with Apple Reminders and Apple Calendars. If you're on iOS 18 or later, did you know that you can drag an Apple Note and drop it onto the Apple Reminder list? This will create a new reminder item with the Apple Notes linked. If you tap on the Apple Notes icon in Apple Reminders, it'll take you straight to the Apple Notes. This way you can set reminders and due dates based out of notes. Similarly, you can drag an Apple Note and drop it onto Apple Calendars. This will create a calendar event with the content of the Apple Notes. If you want to know more about this ecosystem of apps, I've made a whole video explaining this in full detail. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to watch it after this video. Did you know, with Apple Notes, you can scan a document, fill in the details, highlight important points, and then sign it all within the app itself. Open a fresh note, tap the Attach button, and then select Scan Document. When you position the camera over the page, it automatically scans it. Once scanned, tap on the image and hit the filter icon to convert it to grayscale or black and white for better readability. You can also crop or rotate the document right from here. Tap Done, and now let's bring in the real magic. Tap the markup tool to unlock powerful editing features. You can highlight, draw, or even add signature. If you want to save your signature for later, tap the Add or Remove Signature option, select the plus icon, and create a new one. You can also use Add Text to fill in names or other details. It's like having a tiny scanner, PDF editor, and signing tool all in one. So honestly, you can delete all the other scanner apps on your iPhone now. One of the most useful and underrated feature in Apple Notes is the ability to scan text straight from the real world. Imagine you're reading a book or looking at a printed recipe and you want to save a quote or ingredient list. Instead of typing it all out, just open a note, tap the paperclip icon, and choose Scan Text. Sometimes you may see a camera icon. If so, then select the camera icon and then choose Scan Text. Now, point your iPhone or iPad at the text. As soon as it recognizes the words, you will see them appear on your screen. You can adjust what gets selected, then tap Insert to drop it directly into your note. It's insanely useful for copying content from magazines, signs, whiteboards, business cards, basically anything with printed words. After creating a few notes, the Notes app gets super cluttered real soon. You can easily organize your Apple Notes automatically through smart folders. For example, I'm creating this note, which is a recipe for a dessert. At the end, I add a hashtag called #recipes. Now, this note automatically goes into my recipe folder. How neat is that? To do this, create a folder by tapping on the folder icon, then select New Smart Folder. From here, pick the tags that should go into this folder. You can also filter by date created, shared status, or whether the note is logged. That's it. So the next time you create a note with #recipes, it'll show up in your recipe smart folder instantly. No dragging or sorting needed. I have one for #work, #personal, and many more. How easy would it be if I could just add link of a note into another one? This way, I can just tap on the link to go straight to the relevant note instead of jumping around. Apple Notes does have this feature. Just type this followed by the title of the other note, and the notes will show a list of matches. Tap the correct one and it creates a clickable link right in your note. Now you can tap that link anytime to jump to the connected note instantly. Check this out. I can even create a master note which can take me to relevant notes directly. Apple Notes isn't just for text. You can make your notes multimedia rich by inserting files, voice recordings, videos, photos, and even handwriting directly into any note. Let's say you're collecting ideas for a renovation project. You can tap the camera icon to snap a photo of inspiration or choose Photo Library to insert images you already took. Need to record a quick idea? Tap the mic icon to add an audio recording straight into the note. You can even tap the file icon to insert PDFs, documents, or presentations from the file app. Need handwritten markups? Just tap on this markup icon, select the input, and start scribbling away. Everything stays neatly embedded in the note, so you don't have to juggle multiple apps. Before we move on to our next segment, I want to quickly give a shout out to FiFine and talk about the microphone that I've been using for a while now. If you've been following me, you might have seen me using this microphone continuously for over 2 months now. It's called the FiFine AmpliTank Tank 1. And just like the name suggests, it's built like a tank. I'll get to the build, but how does my voice sound on this one? Recently, I moved my studio into our garage, and audio-wise, recording in a garage is an absolute nightmare. Concrete floors, empty walls, metal garage door, all reflect sound like crazy. I did soundproof as much as I can, and still the room is echoey. But the Tank 1 is able to capture my voice so much more better than other mics I've used. It's a dynamic XLR only microphone, meaning it's much more rugged and sturdy to handle than condenser microphone. It's less sensitive to noise, so it handles and rejects background noise so much more easily. To add to the background noise rejection, the mic has a built-in low-cut filter to enhance my voice even more. It doesn't require phantom power, but there is a mid-range boost filter. It has professional-grade XLR connection, and the build is solid. The quality is up there with something like more expensive SM7B, but at the fraction of the price. I've been a long-term user of the FiFine K688. You can see those in my previous videos. And now with the Tank 1, it's a solid upgrade. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out. And now let's get back to the video. If you're running iOS 18 with Apple Intelligence enabled, Apple Notes now comes with built-in AI writing tools that feels like magic. And one of my favorite is the new Compose with ChatGPT feature. Let's say you've drafted some notes for an office presentation or college course, and it's not more professional sounding draft. In one click, you can fix it with Apple Intelligence. Just select the text you want to improve, tap the sparkle Apple Intelligence icon, and tap on Professional. Apple Intelligence will rewrite the paragraph in a professional way. No need of copying to ChatGPT, rewriting and pasting it back. But if you want to use ChatGPT, that's possible right inside Apple Notes too. Select the text, select Apple Intelligence icon, scroll down and select Compose with ChatGPT. Now, tell ChatGPT how do you want to refine it. Apple will send this draft to ChatGPT, get the refined version back and replace the text in line in your notes. all without leaving your Notes app at all and saving a ton of time. You can even create a whole draft just with ChatGPT. Next time, try it out and save some precious time. Apple Notes have one of the most easy and seamless collaboration tools in the market today. 2 or more people can work on the same note at the same time in super intuitive way. Let's say you're planning a trip with your family or organizing an event with friends. You can share a note by tapping the share icon and inviting them to view or edit it. Now, both you and the shared member can modify this note at the same time. It just works. And here's the hidden trick. When someone is added to a shared note, you can use @ to mention them and grab their attention. Just type the @ symbol followed by their name. It notifies them instantly and even highlights their updates inside the note. You will see color-coded highlights to show who edited what and making collaboration super easy and clear. Whether it's planning a grocery list with your partner or sharing school project notes or brainstorming content ideas with your team. This feature is a game changer. Here's something really cool. Apple Notes can do math directly inside a note. So if you're budgeting or splitting bills, you don't even need to leave the app. For example, I was calculating the cost for a small birthday party. I just typed the equation, and when you type equals, Apple Notes instantly suggests the result right there. Hit return to confirm it. Or better yet, tap the 3 dots at the top, choose math results, and toggle on insert results. That way, it shows the answer as soon as you type the equation with no equal sign needed. It's like a mini calculator built right in. And yes, it updates instantly if you change the equation. You can also do unit conversions, type 20 liters and Notes will convert it to quarts. Write $100 and it'll show conversion to euros. Want in Indian rupees? Just type $100 in INR and boom, it shows the value. Budgeting, splitting expenses, or handling conversations, you can do it all right inside Apple Notes. Tables in Apple Notes can be a super powerful tool. Now, imagine you're planning meals for the week. Tap the table icon and you will start with 2 rows and 2 columns. Tap the 3 dots to add or delete rows. Use the same for columns. I like to add rows for all the 7 days and columns for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can fill in the table with your meals and edit it anytime. Tap the share icon to send the table or copy table to paste it elsewhere. And here's a pro tip. Long press the 3 dots next to the row or column to rearrange them. If you prefer writing by hand, especially on iPad, tap the options icon, top right, and choose lines and grid. You can also select a lined or grid background, perfect for brainstorming. I use this all the time to sketch out videos with my Apple Pencil. It feels just like writing on real paper. Some notes are just too personal or sensitive to leave it open, like passwords, medical information, or just your private thoughts. That's where the lock note feature comes in. Let's say you keep a list of all your login details or important medical records. You can just long press on that note in the list view and tap lock note option. It'll prompt you to set a password if you haven't already. You can also lock notes from inside. Just open the note, tap the 3 dots and choose lock. Apple lets you use Face ID, Touch ID, or even your device passcode to unlock it. Once it's locked, the content stays hidden until you authenticate it, just like a digital vault. You will see a lock icon next to any locked notes. Tap it and use Face ID to open it. Once inside, you will see an unlock icon at the top. When you're done, just tap it again to relock the note manually. You can even set a shared password across all locked notes or switch to using your device passcode for convenience. It's a simple and secure way to keep your most sensitive information safe, no extra apps needed. One of the coolest new additions to Apple Intelligence is Image Playground, and you can use it right inside Apple Notes. Let's say I scribbled a butterfly using markup. I can convert this into a fabulous image using the Image Playground right here. Now, right here, I select this magic wand to select over my sketch. I can describe the image more if I want. Now, Apple Intelligence will convert it into a beautiful sketch in just seconds and insert it in place of my scribble. I can choose my styles like animation, illustration, or sketch to match the vibe if I want. Samsung and Google's image generation are miles ahead, but having Apple's image playground integrated right within the Notes app reduces friction and enhances my sketch so often. It's perfect for creative projects, mood boards, or even journaling. Try it out, it's kind of fun. And finally, if my Notes app is not well organized and looks like this, I wouldn't want to get back to it or use it. But if all your notes were well organized and categorized, you might end up using Apple Notes more often. With a few built-in tools, you can keep everything neat and easy to find. Start by creating folders to group your notes like work, personal, or trips. Just tap the folder icon at the bottom and give it a name. You can even create subfolders by dragging one folder into another. Inside folders, you can pin notes to keep important ones at the top. Just swipe right on a note and tap the pin icon. You can also sort notes by date edited, created, or title by tapping the three dots at the top right. Another great trick, use the search bar at the top to instantly find notes by keyword, date, or even text inside scanned images. If you really want to stay on top of things, combine this with tags and smart folders. So there you go, 15 hidden Apple Notes features that I love. From scanning and signing documents to generating AI images to linking notes like a personal wiki. This app is so much more than just a place for grocery list. If you made it this far, let me know in the comments which feature blew your mind or which one you're going to use first. Personally, I can't live without smart folders and the new writing tools with Apple Intelligence. They've completely changed how I work. And if you want more iOS or Apple productivity tips like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a trick hiding inside your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.